YouTube, welcome back to the channel. Not the first time, but it's the second time around. And today, guys, I am back with another banger. But listen, today I'll be going over one of my traveling setups. Today, this setup is more on the controversial side. This setup is looked down on. Everybody either love this setup or they hate it. But let me show you why every firearm have its role in its place. So without further ado, let's get straight into it. So today, I'll be showing you guys my Hellpup Core by Pioneer Arms. You guys can see, this is my Hellpup Core by Pioneer Arms. So I'm going to get into the firearm and then go over why I chose this as my traveling gun. So this is the Hellpup Core, considered like the micro Draco, but this is made and manufactured by Pioneer Arms. So on the back, I have the Strike Industries brace with the folding attachment to it. This is on the left side. This is not the dual side folding because I only wanted to fold it to the left side. I have the ALG trigger, and I got to show you guys this trigger. I feel like any AK needs this trigger. Let's get, ooh, right there. Chris, this trigger is a game changer, but I got the Strike Industries hand stop, angle hand stop to give you that purchase on the firearm. I also have the Defintech light and laser combo. I had this same setup on my 300 blackout budget build I dropped a couple days ago. So I told you guys that it was so good, I brought another one. I brought this probably like a year ago. This have been through a lot of rounds as well, on different platforms as well. And I also have this Holosun gold dot. I don't know if you guys can see. Let me crank it up. This Holosun gold dot. It looked kind of green. That's crazy. But so this is my traveling setup. I can break this gun down and I can run at 20 rounders. I can break this gun down and put it in a backpack. But this firearm is a perfect firearm for, just say 50 yards and in. This packs a punch. I don't have it suppressed or nothing. I feel like if I'm traveling and I need to get to this firearm per se, because this is just the main attraction. I'm always going to have an EDC. I'm always going to carry me and my wife. So if I have to make it to this firearm, I'm not worried about blowing no eardrums out. If I have to make it to this firearm, I'm needing to lay the law down. So that's why I chose this firearm. If you know anything about AKs and a 7.62 by 39 round, you know it's a devastating round. It packs a punch, especially coming out of these short barrels. This ain't no long range gun. This not no precision gun. This is a gun that's gonna get the job done and that's gonna do it very, very effective. But let's not get all into all that. I forgot to tell y'all, I do have this extended charging knob. This is, if I'm not mistaken, this is Soviet Arms. I ordered this off Paul Metal years ago. I still had it, so I threw it on here. But honestly, this setup is perfect. You just get on it, and you in there. Like this setup is perfect. I am gonna do other upgrades. I could have added the side mount optic, the optic mount for the side, but I didn't because I don't want to have to take the mount off to get to the dust cover, take the dust cover off and all that. So I just decided to go with this Picatinny. You replace your sight leaf. And I put a Picatinny mount on here and just mounted this Holosun ARO. I told you guys in one of my other videos I like the Holosun ARO, so I brought it again. I like it, but it do come with some downsides. Like I went out in the daylight and ran this dot, and it was kind of off because of the sun. With a gold dot, you can really pick it up, and when you do put it on stuff, it got to be like dark, like the contrast got to be dark to really see the dot good. So I might not even keep this on here for that, because ain't no telling when I'm traveling if it's gonna be daylight. I don't know the color of the contrast, just in case if the situation ever arises. So right now I have it set up like this, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to change it. I tried to get the, what is it called, JL Billet dust cover and put it on here. I ordered it, tried to fit it on here, and it would not fit without me cutting it and like damaging the dust cover. So I just kept it with the original dust cover. So here we are with the Hellpup Core. This is a fantastic firearm. It's a fun firearm. This is not a firearm to be like doing, like I said, doing precision and stuff like that. This is a firearm you want to make a statement when you laying the law down. It's just that simple. When you want to lay the law down and you want to make a statement, this is perfect for that. Well, guys, here we go. Thanks for watching. Drop down in the comments. Let me know what you think about it. Let me know what you would change about it. Like, comment, and subscribe. And I do appreciate you guys. Y'all been showing mad love. When I say mad love, man. And I've been replying and getting back to you guys as much as possible. So I'm out of here. Appreciate you watching. Until the next time, guys.